Hey guys, is your After Effects super slow on your PC? Can't play your edits without freezing everything? I get it, I have the same issue. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple tricks that make my After Effects way faster. These are the most important ones that are actually work, and stick around till the end because I'm going to show you a secret one that nobody tells you, but I'm gonna share to you today. So let's jump in. First thing, and this is the easiest fix, stop playing your video at full quality while editing. Look at the bottom of your screen, click on it. It's probably set to full right now. Change it to quarter. I know you're thinking, won't my video look bad? Well, yeah, your preview looks a bit blurry now, but it plays super smooth. And here's the thing, when you export your final video, it's still full quality. This setting only changes what you see while editing, not your final result. This one change will make your editing way smoother. Alright, second tip, you need to clear your memory regularly. Here's what to do. Click on Edit, then Preference and All Memory and Disk. You will see your software free up all that memory instantly. Do this every single time before you start editing. Make it a habit. And honestly, if you're working on a long edit and this thing getting slow again, just do it in the middle of your session. It takes only 2 seconds and makes huge difference. This is probably the most important tip, and if you remember one thing from this video, remember to clean your memory. Alright, third tip, and this is where most people mess up. Go to Edit, Preference and Memory. You'll see a section that says RAM reserved for other application. This is super important. Just lower it, just lower this thing. This is the most important thing. So after you change this, you need to restart After Effects for it to work. But once you do, you'll notice it run way better. Alright, now the bonus one. Alright, go to Settings and you'll see the left hand side there is called Gaming. Click on it and there is a gaming mode on it and graphics, then add desktop app. So here you have to add your software, which software you use, like 2023 After Effects or 2024, I don't know. Just click the application and you'll be good. And that's it. 3 simple things that will make your AI way faster on your low-end PC. Just lower your preview quality, clear your memory every session, and set up your RAM properly. These are the basics every editors need to know. Once you get this right, editing becomes way much easier. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Drop a comment and tell me if this worked for you. Alright, catch you on the next one. Peace.